Blades have got to be straight. And what I also want is I want the top face to be straight. This is a 1.5 thousandths feeler gauge. And so what I'm going to do is get it on at a certain angle and just come down and check. I can feel a little resistance. There's just one area there that got one little area.
That's what was sparking the most.
Well, it just went a little bit too much. Okay, if I turn it over, blade of grass is
About 4 to 6.
yeah, 4 to 6. There's 3. So it's going to cut grass. So there's, I have no doubt in my mind. But that's how we check to make sure everything is up to snuff. If I let that go and spark out even more, or if I know that's where it is, I can just by listening. If I'm sparked out here and I got a little more here, I can just put a little tension on the motor and force it to grind out on both ends.
What would happen if we tried to cut grass with this bed knife?
It'll cut. It will cut.
But we wouldn't want to try and sharpen it again.
No, that's about it. This one's done as far as reusing it.
Okay. That'll make him halfway happy.
Yeah.
You can use it this one last time.
Got a bird to take off.
Well, I'm looking. See, there's a little mark right there.
Roundness.
Different color right on the very
Yeah,
edge.
shit.
So we may want to put it on and just do another front face.
So do you have to redress the
No,
facing?
no. It's like now that I look at it.
Oh, from your permanent marker.
That's why I blew it. There's a little. Okay, that's probably what it is. A little bleed over.
Yeah, that should bleed over from the
Yeah.
marker.
Feel the burr.
You feel the burr. That's why you finish off on the top face. If you do the top face and then finish off on a front face, the burr will be on top. Here it's on the front. That burr will go away, but you can take like a
Piece of hardwood.
hardwood, just go over it a couple of times. Some people take a real
hardwood in the box over there.
yeah, just go over it a couple of times. It's just a burr, and it'll go away.
The grass will take that off.
Yeah, that's the marker is what that is. Because it does come off. Yeah, okay. If that was the metal per se, that would indicate that I didn't cut all the way. So my angle here, okay, if I went vertical straight up and down, boy, I'd take it all off. But if I get more angle than what was put on originally, I would leave that upper corner there. But ideally, I want it all taken off on the front and then finish off on the top where I don't see any stupid line.
So that corner is
Did you
not
ever-
actually square. It's
Nope.
kind of 16 degrees off. If you
It's
measured
okay.
it. Because you went down 8 and you went
The
in.
reference point is the bottom of the bed knife, the ground.
Yeah.
Okay, and the bed knife sits like that. So if I go at an 8-degree top face, then I'm cutting back down from here. And the front face, I want to cut more on the bottom than on the top that way. If I cut like this, then as I go along, the grass is out here. It gets pushed over, lays the grass over, and then may or may not get cut. So this way, that's 90 degrees. My top face angle is like this, or front face is like this, and then my top face is down. So when I attack the grass, then I'm not pushing it over.
Like scissors are cut back too.
Nope.
Okay.